shoes.
Ooh. Look at them.
Hey, they don't even have tags on them.
No.
Those are pretty
Wow.
nice.
There's something inside, though.
It's just paper that they put in there.
What did you think it was?
Thought maybe it was another present. Cool.
I couldn't
These
get
look
the
like mommy
paper
sneakers.
out.
Flip it over.
It's a frame that you can decorate.
Yeah,
Cool.
for birthday parties.
Yeah, or anything. You want to try open one of them for a ride?